The humble fork, a staple in kitchens worldwide, holds a secret. Its tines can shatter glass and metal with astonishing force. In the realm of food science and cooking chemistry, the fork is more than just a utensil for eating. Its seemingly innocuous design belies a fascinating world of physics and materials science. When you pick up a fork, you're not just holding a tool, you're wielding a miniature force multiplier. The tines of a fork are engineered to apply precise pressure, making it an ideal instrument for tasks like piercing meat or breaking up vegetables. But what happens when you push the fork beyond its intended use? The results are both surprising and instructive. One of the most striking examples of a fork's destructive potential can be seen in the work of food scientists who use them to test the strength of different materials. By applying a controlled amount of force with the fork's tines, researchers can quantify the material's resistance to deformation and even shatter certain types of glass. It's like using a tiny, edible wrecking ball to demolish a fragile structure, all in the name of scientific discovery. But that's not the strangest part. The force required to shatter glass with a fork is incredibly high, equivalent to the impact of a speeding bullet. Wait until you hear what comes next. The same fork can also be used to manipulate the texture of food, creating a crispy crust on a seemingly impossible-to-cook ingredient. Imagine being able to cook a perfect steak every time, with a tender interior and a satisfying crunch on the outside. It's all thanks to the humble fork's hidden abilities. The secret lies in the way the fork's tines interact with the food's molecular structure, applying precise pressure to break down the proteins and create a delicious, restaurant-quality meal. But how does it work? Let's take a closer look at the physics behind the fork's incredible capabilities. When you apply pressure with the fork, you're not just pushing on the food, you're also inducing a series of complex chemical reactions that alter its texture and consistency. It's like using a tiny, edible chemistry set to create a culinary masterpiece, all thanks to the fork's remarkable versatility. And then something unexpected happened. Food scientists discovered that the same fork could be used to create a range of innovative, texture-altering effects in different types of food. From the crunch of a perfectly cooked potato to the snap of a fresh, green vegetable, the humble fork has become an indispensable tool in the world of food science and cooking chemistry. But what does this mean for home cooks and professional chefs alike? The answer lies in the incredible possibilities opened up by the fork's hidden abilities. With the right techniques and a little creativity, anyone can use a fork to create truly show-stopping dishes that will leave even the most discerning diners in awe. And the best part? The fork is an incredibly accessible tool, available to anyone with a kitchen and a willingness to experiment. So the next time you reach for your trusty fork, remember that it's not just a utensil, it's a key to unlocking a world of culinary possibilities. Subscribe for more incredible stories about the science and magic of food. And don't forget to like and comment below with your thoughts on the humble fork's remarkable abilities. Want more mind-blowing facts about the science of cooking? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. As we explore the fascinating world of food science and cooking chemistry, one thing becomes clear. The humble fork is a true unsung hero of the kitchen. From its incredible strength to its versatility in cooking, the fork is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and creativity. So the next time you pick up a fork, remember that it's not just a tool, it's a symbol of the incredible possibilities waiting to be discovered in the world of food and cooking. The fork may be humble, but its impact on our culinary lives is anything but, and it's an impact that will continue to inspire and delight us for generations to come. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.